This is when you know it's time to do some maintenance on your machine. When you set the temperature for 230 and during the print it goes as low as, this was 80 a moment ago, because this wire is fatigued from all the movement back and forth and it's just not printing anymore. So luckily for me, I detected this earlier and I ordered a new 3D printed hot end, or printer hot end, made for this machine, and I will still be able to repair this one and actually have extra ones on hand. But you can see now it's starting to get back up to temperature, because all the wear on this as it moves back and forth over thousands of hours, I tried to minimize it by orienting the print in this direction. So this is going to be a print failure because it's not going to be, it's going to be printed in midair right now. So pay attention to your prints. Some of your machines have like a detector that will decide whether it should pause the print while it waits for that to finish. But this original CR10 is finally getting back up to temperature, and this is one of the reasons I print at a higher temperature, so I give myself some more room before it fails. It usually won't even print below 170. So I print at 230 for pretty much everything. And it might put some more fatigue on the heater block, but I've had this one for over 4 years, so I feel like that's plenty of time. So I'll stop this print, and then I'll just give it another shot and see if I can get it to keep going. I got plenty of filament left, so no skin off my nose. So keep an eye on that, and if you detect that you have problems, just start getting extra parts ready or know how to repair it yourself. If you need some help on how to repair things, stay tuned to my channel. I do 3D printer repair, and I'll post a video of me repairing this Creality hot block.